It helps with that like moisture protein balance, which ultimately helps with length retention. And hey loves, hey, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Michelle Jama, and here we cover all things hair care, skincare, law, and living your best life. Today we are going to be talking all about the Dreamgirls healthy hair care system. And so if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on the full line of products, whether you should invest your money in them, whether they actually work, keep watching. Earlier in the year, I started using these Dreamgirls hair care products. I stumbled across them on Instagram, noticed that they had a lot of clients who had extremely amazing hair growth and length retention results. And so I decided, let me do my research, and saw that these products were getting really good reviews. And so I decided, let me go ahead and invest my coin in these products to see if they actually work and help with length retention. I've been using these products for a couple of months now, and I think I have a really good sense of whether or not I like them. Okay, so the first item from this line that I'm going to be talking about is the Dreamgirls TLC Combout treatment. I think this product is actually excellent for people who are long-term protective styling, particularly with braids or twist with extensions. That's how I use this product, at least. I found that this product was super helpful with like detangling my hair and kind of like loosening the debris that was on my hair when I was taking down my braids after what, like 2 or 3 months of actually rocking braids. And so I really like that about this product. I like that this was super moisturizing. It made it very easy for me to remove shed hairs. I noticed that I didn't get as many single stranded knots as I usually do when I'm taking down certain like long-term protective styles. And their instructions tell you to add this to water. So I still have quite a lot of this left. I feel like a little goes a long way. The next item that I want to talk about is the Dreamgirls Renewing Shampoo. What I really like about this is that it does have tea tree, lavender, and peppermint oils. As you guys know, those are really great for like helping with stimulating blood circulation to your scalp. This stuff will get your hair squeaky clean. What I did like about this is my hair felt very clean, but then it also kind of still felt hydrated. I know that sounds kind of strange, but like it did a really good job of getting my scalp and actual hair super clean, but then also leaving it feeling like super moisturized so that I could easily apply my conditioner onto my hair without feeling like, oh my gosh, the struggle with detangling and stuff like that. The next item that I want to talk about is the Dreamgirls Revival Deep Treatment with ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil. So this is their deep treatment, but it actually has really good slip. It's super creamy, really good for actually detangling your hair, which I thought was interesting because usually I'm used to like my deep conditioners being super thick, and this deep treatment was not that at all. Is it moisturizing and hydrating? Absolutely. My hair always felt super soft, super hydrated, and it felt really good after using this product. Okay, so the next item that I want to talk about is the Dreamgirls Renewing Conditioner with lavender and peppermint oils. This product states that it invigorates and cleanses hair and scalp. Y'all, honestly, this is probably my favorite product out of the entire set, only because I think it really does a good job of stimulating blood flow circulation to your scalp. Even long after it's already been rinsed out of your hair, you still feel that tingling sensation. And so you guys know I'm pretty obsessed with like scalp massages and you know that tingling sensation, because again, that lets me know that like there's blood going to my follicles, which ultimately means hair growth and all that kind of stuff. And so yeah, I really like that about this. If anything at all, this conditioner feels more like a scalp treatment to me. I did find it to be moisturizing, which was nice, but yeah, honestly, I feel like this is almost supposed to be like used maybe in the beginning step, but in their little kit directions, it literally says it's the 4th item that you should be using. So the way that I would use this is after doing my deep conditioner, I would basically rinse out that deep treatment, and then I would go in with this renewing conditioner. I would apply a liberal amount to my scalp and hair, and then put a plastic cap over it, and again, use a little bit of heat, except instead of doing my normal 30 minutes, I would do 10 minutes. The last item that I want to talk about is the Dreamgirls True Essence Oil Treatment, and it says it promotes healthy scalps and hair growth. It repairs hair follicles, and it's great for stressed edges. So again, honestly, this is your normal hair oil in my opinion. I haven't used it enough to give a full review on it, only because I like to use my Ayurvedic oils, and then the applicator for this, or the spray nozzle for this, broke, and so it made for an annoying experience for me. Before I started my new regimen, I would apply this to my scalp during the deep conditioning process, and then I would also apply it to my ends to help with sealing in the moisture. If you're somebody who's doing daily scalp massages, you can literally massage this into your scalp as your scalp oil. I don't know if anybody else experienced the, you know, spray nozzle breaking, but like, you can always put it in a dropper bottle like I did. I just, you know, naturally with hair oils, I reach for my own DIY treatments or whatever I have on deck. And so honestly, I didn't really feel any kind of way about this oil. I still have quite a bit left. It's a hair oil. I don't have too much to say about it because I haven't used it as much. I'm just not particularly drawn to this oil, only because there are so many other oils that I use that I absolutely love. This line, to be honest, I understand why they say it helps with like promoting growth and retaining length. Their products help with stimulating blood flow circulation to your scalp. And I also noticed that while their products are super hydrating, I think they actually contain amounts of protein, so that it helps with that like moisture protein balance, which ultimately helps with length retention. And so the brand is cool. My favorite product was the renewing conditioner because of its stimulating effect and the fact that I felt like it was moisturizing my hair. If I had to rank all these products, my very first recommendation would be the renewing conditioner. Then I would recommend the renewing shampoo. If you're somebody who does long-term protective styling, then the TLC Combout treatment definitely is a thing that you want to buy, because like I said, it really helps with just detangling your hair. It made everything so much easier. So yeah, my top 3 faves are definitely the TLC Combout treatment, the renewing shampoo, and the renewing conditioner. Ultimately speaking, I don't think I've like experienced any insane amounts of growth outside of what I'm used to seeing when I do my entire regimen, which is like, you know, taking the hair vitamins, doing the scalp massages, and all the things. But I did notice using these products definitely a reduction in breakage and shedding, which is why I would recommend this line, or at least these 3 products from the line. So yeah, those are my thoughts on the Dreamgirls Healthy Hair Care System. Let me know your thoughts if you tried any of these products down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.